You won't believe what SketchUp can really do. Let's explore the hidden magic of soup, skin and babble and transform your designs in a completely new and stunning way. First, select the lines of the shape you want. Then first option generates a surface from your lines. For example, with a division of 25, see how soft and flowing the shape is. The higher the number, the smoother and more elegant your surface becomes. But if you set it to 4, notice how rigid and rough the form becomes, not smooth at all. I increase the number of divisions again because I want the shape to be smooth and soft. It has two other options as well. The third option is called Generate Soup Bubble. Click, you can change the pressure of this shape. For example, if I write it 2, let's see. Let me bring it a bit closer so it can be seen. For example, 5. See the pressure in this part changed. For example, -10. See how the top part of this shape has least pressure and moved down. Let me explain the pressure more clearly with this example. In this shape, if I set the pressure to 5, you can see this part loses pressure and moves downward. And if I set it to -10, notice how this part moves upward. This second option is called stress ratio, where we can decrease or increase the stress of the shape. For example, in this case, we want to make this chair part smoother and more beautiful using this plugin with a division of 25 and pressure of 10. And you can see how smoothly and beautifully it shapes the chair, which means we can also use this plugin for furniture design as well. Let's also create the back part of this chair using the same procedure. You can see that by using this plugin we created this kind of shape very easily, which would not be possible using SketchUp alone, or even if it were possible, it would be very difficult and time consuming. Let's work on this last organic shape, which is mostly used in terminals or stations. And we can adjust the pressure of this shape, making it lower or higher. For example, if I want the top of this to be lower, we can set the pressure to a negative value. Or we can also change its pressure ratio as well. Another important point is that sometimes if we set the stress ratio or pressure to a very large or very small number, the shape completely breaks. In this case, pressing escape or end option or Ctrl Z does not fix the problem. Here we need to go to stop this with this red sign option, and then go to edit and then undo generate skin, and finally the shape returns to its original state. Let me use this shape created with this powerful plugin to make a highly practical form in architectural design. Here I am using some of other plugins such as Selection Toys or JHS Power Bar. If you are not familiar with these plugins and want to learn how to use them, you can check out my free plugin tutorial playlist on my channel. Be sure to visit the playlist and watch the tutorials. It's definitely worth it. Look at this shape. See how easily we created it with this powerful plugin. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel ArcJamshed. For more amazing tutorials, join us and level up your design skills.